Inventory count list and features. What is an inventory count list? This is where we record the actual remaining items during actual count. How do you create an inventory count? From the main menu, go to Inventory and select Inventory Count. At the upper right side of the window, before clicking Create, select from the drop-down arrow on the left side. Set whether your inventory count is per item or per item type. In selecting default items or item types, choose Item Class and select Items or Item Types and click Save. If you have selected your default items or types, you may now proceed to creating the account. Click Create and fill in the necessary information. Please note that all the fields with an asterisk are required to create the inventory count, while those without the asterisk are optional information. Type the reference number, date of the actual count, then provide the data for the center code, counted by. Enter the remaining quantity of the item in the actual count column. After entering the actual count, you can see the variance of the item and the status. You can also put remarks in the remarks column. Once everything is accomplished, click Save and select a saving option. Save and close if you want to save the transaction and no longer wish to create a new count. Save and new if you wish to save the transaction and create a new count. Save and print if you wish to save the transaction and print it. Save and attach if you wish to save the transaction and attach a supporting document. Meanwhile, here are the features you will find in the inventory count list. On the right side drop-down arrow, select what you want to see in the list of counts with item types as default or per default item. Date range, if you wish to filter using the date of the count. Set the desired date from and date to, then apply. Search bar, if you wish to search for the specific transaction using the reference number. Click the magnifying glass icon to search. Advanced filter, if you wish to filter data with additional and specific criteria. To delete the transaction, right-click and choose the delete option, or you can open the transaction and select delete. You have just created your inventory count and learned the features of the inventory count module.